Extracurricular activities are just so important when you're choosing an institution because think about it, literally when you're walking out with a degree, if you've got a Bachelor of Business, there might be thousands of students who have that degree. So it's all the stuff that you do outside of a classroom that really counts, in my opinion. And I'm here in the space, the venture space at the University of Western Australia. And this is the entrepreneurship opportunity for those of you who might be interested in starting a business. And I found a pretty wild opportunity that you really need to know about. And to tell you about it, this is Josh. Josh, good to meet you.
Guys. How you going, mate? Good to meet you.
Mate, just before we started filming, you were telling me about this opportunity for students to get funding if they're thinking of building a business and they've already sort of started working on it. Tell me about this, because this is one of the very rare things around the country.
Yeah, look, we're one of the few units that will pay you to do the unit. So if you get accepted, well, what we're looking for is that you have product market fit, so that you've gone out, you've tested your idea, you've seen a problem, you thought, hey, I can build this as a solution. Then you've gone out and you've talked to that customer and they've said, yes, if you build this, I will buy it. Then you can enter our program. And if you enter our program, we go through a selection process and we can give you up to $7,500 of equity free, which means we don't take any equity, seed funding. So you get that to spend on your startup to start your business. I mean, I don't know many places that do that.
I can tell you, having been like for every university and seen a lot of entrepreneurship programs around the country, that's extremely rare to have an opportunity to actually get some funding to help bring it to life. And so for those of you for whom this resonates, like that's a big thing you need to get involved in.
Guys, you need to come. So we open up, applications open up in April, they close in May, and the course runs from June through to November and culminates in a pitch night. So not only do you just get equity free seed funding, you get a mentor from industry, you get interns, you get the whole suite of resources for venture thrown at you to start your business. If you're going to start a business, there's no better place or opportunity than to do that at UWA.
And just tell me a little bit more, mates, because just before we were talking, you were pointing to this very nice chart just beside you on the wall. It's not just the opportunity to get some funding. Obviously, that's like a pinnacle opportunity, but you guys are doing other stuff as well that students can access.
Mate, it is become an entrepreneur. That's what we're here to do. This is the center. We hold events. We do skills development workshop for things like how to speak in a microphone. Very underrated skill, but very good for life. Entrepreneur in residence, that was me until the end of this year, but you'll get a new one next year, and then a co-working space. So this is a space where you can come, you can chill, you can work on your idea with like-minded people, and you can really start to get the creative juices flowing. Then down here, this is the venture incubator that I was talking about, where we give you the money. But also, if you are just thinking about entrepreneurship and you haven't got a business idea, you can apply for the intern startup. So that's where you get plugged in with one of our incubators, and you can work alongside them to see what a startup is like.
Josh, what's your story, mate? How did you end up in this space?
I don't know, Nana. So I've been here for about 4 years. So if you've seen any drone light shows in Perth, that's my company. So I started Drone Sky shows a while ago. I've been knocking around UWA and businesses for the last 10 years. Director on Startup WA and EIR here at Venture.
Congratulations, mate. Good on you for successes. For somebody that doesn't even know what it is, because I think it's one of those things that you don't know what it is until you walk into it.
Yeah.
But once it bites you and it finds you, it's true, isn't it? It's like you can't get away from it.
Well, entrepreneurship, yeah. Look, it's something that you've got to give it a crack. And university will teach you how to get a really good job. But obviously, we're here to show you that there's other career paths. The future of work is changing. Things like social skills, soft skills, speaking in a microphone, and
speaking into a microphone.
Whole bunch of other skills going to become essential in the future of work. So come here, start a business, see if you build yourself a job rather than just apply for one.
Awesome, mate. Thanks for joining me.
Pleasure. Thanks for having me.